Question number 56. KMnO4 react with Ki in acidic and neutral medium. The iodine containing product in acidic and neutral medium are P and Q respectively. We have to comment on the oxidation number of iodine in P and Q. So students, if we talk about the reactions, we have I minus reacting with MnO4 minus in the acidic medium. We have the formation of I2 and Mn2 positive. If we talk about the reaction of I minus with MnO4 minus in the presence of neutral or faintly alkaline medium, we are going to have the formation of iodate ions along with the formation of MnO2. So students, the iodine containing product in the acidic medium is P. It has an oxidation state of I equal to 0. And if we talk about the product Q, it has an iodine in the oxidation state of 5. Okay. So for this question, we have to select the fourth option as the correct answer. Let us look at the next question. Question 57. Moist SO2 and Cl2 water. Both are bleaching agent, but the bleaching behavior is different. Select the correct statements. So if we talk about moist SO2 is reducing in nature and the bleaching action is caused by the reduction, which is temporary as it can get oxidized back by air. If we talk about chlorine water, the chlorine water liberates nascent oxygen and it is a permanent bleaching action. So if you look at the options which are given to us, we can clearly see that the correct statement is given in option 3, which says that Cl2 water has permanent bleaching action as it oxidizes the colored substance. Let us look at the next question. Question number 58. Select the correct statement about the Mons process. So if we talk about the Mons process, we have Ni reacting with CO giving us NiCO4. Okay. And then that NiCO4 is heated to give us Ni and CO back. You can balance the reaction. Okay. So the NiCO4 formed is a volatile complex which decomposes upon heating to give us back the nickel. So it is a method of purification of nickel or refining of nickel. And if you look at the options which are given to us, we have to comment on the hybridization of NiCO4. So NiCO4, we all know students, nickel has S0D10 configuration. So it is sp3, as the carbonyl being a strong field ligand will cause all the electrons in nickel to be paired up in the D subshell. Okay. So if you look at the options which are given to us, we can see that we have to select the second option as the correct answer to this question, which says that the Ni is heated with a gas and the volatile compound of Ni is formed, in which the hybridization of central atom is sp3. So students, for this question, second option is correct. Let us look at the next question now. Let us look at question number 59 now. Enzyme catalysis is unique in its efficiency and high degree of specificity. The activity of enzymes in presence of coenzymes and metal ions such as Na+, Mn2+, CO2+, and Cu2+, which are weakly bonded to enzyme and act as activator. So students, we know that the coenzymes as well as the activator, they both increase the activity of the enzymes. So students, for this question, we have to select the third option as the correct answer. Let us look at the last question. Question number 60. Select the set of compounds which have the same hybridization of central atom. Okay. So if we talk about H3O+, H3O+ is sp3 hybridized for oxygen. If we talk about SO3, SO3 is sp2 hybridized. If we talk about H2SO4, H2SO4 is sp3 hybridized. So the first option is not correct. If you look at the second option, we have H3O+, which was sp3. We have CH4, which is also sp3. We have H3PO4, which is also sp3. So the second option is correct. If you look at the third option now, we have BeF2, which is sp hybridized. We have BF3, which is sp2 hybridized. We have SO2, which is again sp2 hybridized. If you look at the fourth option now, we have CH4, which was already sp3. Ammonia is again sp3, but SO2 is sp2 as we had seen before. Students, for this question we have to select the second option as the correct answer to this question.